Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. In this video, we are going to discuss the differences between tell and say. Tell and say. By the way, if you haven't seen the video I made on tell yet, the link to the video is in the description box. I would suggest you watch that first and get back to this video. Alright, the reason why I thought of making this video is because many people use this word say incorrectly. For example, I said him, I said him. I hear this a lot. Do you think it's correct? Well, unfortunately, that is incorrect. Why is it? To understand why it's incorrect, first of all, we need to know the structure of say. The structure of say is say something. It's not say somebody something, it's say something. But with tell, we say tell somebody something. That's the difference. Again, tell somebody something, but say something. There's no somebody here. So probably now you know why say somebody is incorrect. For example, I said him is incorrect. You know why it is. So how would we correct it? You could say I told him. Not I said him, it's I told him. Or else I said it to him. I said it to him. Or else I said. It's just I said. Another example. My mom said okay. It's not my mom told okay, because after told we use an object pronoun. You know that. Let's try to understand these sentences. What did they say? What did they say is correct, but what did they tell is incorrect. What did they tell you is correct, but what did they say you is incorrect. Is it confusing? Let's pause the video and take a look at these examples one more time for better understanding. Alright, so what did they say is correct because after say we don't use somebody. So what did they tell is incorrect because after tell you need somebody. What did they tell you is correct. I hope you're getting it. Another example. My friend never says no to anything. My friend never says no to anything. That's correct. My doctor told me to have a rest. My doctor told me to have a rest. We use told because you have me there. That's why. I hope you got a clear idea now. Have a beautiful day.